See, this is that GPS bullshit. When you say fastest route, it ain't nothing but me. I gotta change these settings. I'm deep in the backwoods again. Tell me, I'm riding like this all the way. I don't want you to see my skin color, no nothing. Ride the speed limits because I've been getting some strange looks. Boy, got to change that GPS settings. In the backwoods again. I'm out. And see how quiet it is? Y'all know how loud my motorcycle is? Man, I'm out.
Ain't gonna leave me out, Black. Y'all ain't gonna leave me out. I thought I was gonna be out.
No, you ain't out. I'm gonna go ride your bike.
I'm gonna have to give me the
display like this. I tell you what, looking at these decorated Harleys and all these paint schemes and all this shiny chrome, that don't make me proud to be an American.
They want to make some passes down. She on her way.
Plus,
she riding a bike.
If they're riding them in, they're riding them in. So that's all right. You know, this street rides for a lot of these guys that came in trailers to make them go on the street. So that's cool.
Police escorted. Where everybody at? Everybody's riding.
Is it? I mean, everybody's supposed to be making a ride. It should be here.
Hey, but everybody ain't standing over here. Everybody ain't standing over here, though.
He running in the, he ain't running in the extreme. He running in the street, right? He's running the street.
Bike. I can ride this home back to California if I wanted to.
How about we put him in the street extreme then? I don't think.
I mean, that's what I'm trying to tell you.
I don't want to be in that. I can't. This is a street bike. All these are not street bikes. I can ride my bike back to California. Both of these can ride back to California right now.
But what it was they're saying it got to be an FL frame. That's kind of like what they talk about.
I got springs in the front that's heavier than all this shit.
I gotta make a decision.
I don't have a problem, but I'll go with the whole. But I don't.
I'm not gonna make that decision because at the end of the day, when this money get paid out, I don't want nobody to have a problem. No, if you want,
got a problem with Springer?
okay, he has a diner that he wants to get into now.
Yeah. Run the diner. It's a street bike. It's a street bike. Can you ride it home? It's a street bike. You can be running this class.
This is a street bagger class. That's
yeah, that's why I don't want to
That's the issue. It ain't nothing against. What you're saying is advertised as baggers.
Street bagger class.
Yeah, we'll take a walk for anybody that wants to know. Extreme bagger is going to be the next two lanes, going to be 3 and 4. Race bagger is going to be lane 5, and grudge is going to be lane 6, and then we're going to have lane 7 as overflow, I guess. Is that okay, Ed?
That's what we got.
Okay. We're going to assemble. What class do you guys want to run first?
We're gonna do street first. Give
Okay.
the rules. Give her.
No time trial.
Do this in the staging lanes, and everybody lines up. So you got all the
We're gonna
rides.
they're gonna do the trials, but I'm gonna call the first set, so when they already know who was who first. I already got it right.
But how many time trials do you want?
But
You
bro,
give them 30 minutes.
you need to let at least somebody make a shakedown pass.
That's
when
what
they
it
know-
says.
No, that's what I'm saying. But I'm still gonna give you the order already. Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to do time trials. You're going to get 2 time runs.
Yeah.
Now, for race bagger, those 2 runs are going to be qualified. Never raced on a drag strip before. It's no big deal. Right now, as soon as we're done here, we'll walk down on this track, and if anybody got any questions, we'll answer them. We'll play with the lights, make sure you guys know everything's at, how this all works. We want everybody to have a good time and be safe and go fast and know what's up. So if anybody has any questions, yeah.
Everything's pro tree.
No, the street bagger
Street is
is a full tree. 3 lights. Regular like a bracket tree, but it's no breakout. Fastest bike wins. So street baggers 1, 2, 3 green. Extreme bagger and race bagger and grudge is going to be a 400 pro tree like you see on TV. You're going to have all 3 yellow lights flash, and when you see them yellows, you go.
One question.
Yeah.
If everybody agree with it, can we just run all of it pro tree?
Well, that was up to these guys.
Everybody cool with that? Everybody cool with pro tree?
That Ed, all classes,
Pro
400
tree.
pro
Yeah,
tree
we
all
cool.
day. That's everything.
No, we all good.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's going to determine lane choice?
Lane choice.
Into the rounds.
Let's do it like this. If you're competing, when I call your number, we're gonna start left, right. So if I call you first, You left, call the second one, you right. Just that simple.
But they about to do a time trial, so they want to know.
I mean, that's on time trial. That's
And
on
time
that's
trial,
on,
you
can
take
do whatever
whatever
you want
lane
to
you
do.
want.
I'm talking about for the
We
competition.
don't know exposed or
No,
time exposed.
no time exposed.
Okay, so
You guys want the clocks on?
They gonna cut them. Okay, right. So when you guys
Man, we
do
don't
the
care about
fastest-
all that time shit, man. We want to run.
Okay.
When you talking about the guy with the fastest time gets lane choice, somebody's gonna have a list. Because if times aren't exposed, nobody knows.
Just in the race bagger class. But if you guys ain't, I mean, we got to come up with lane choice because if you end up with one guy really liking one side or the other with these fast bikes,
We don't have but 2 or 3 bikes in that race class, no way. So it don't matter.
well, then we'll figure it out. In the
Can
race
we just
class.
get it over with, Big
Yeah,
Daddy?
right, now, listen.
Yeah, because the clouds are coming.
Yeah, listen. I'm gonna pull the numbers. I'm gonna pull your number. It's based on your whatever. When I call your number, that's left lane, right lane. First number versus racing the second person. It's just that simple. We had 8 bikes for street, and we had 8 bikes for extreme street. 8 for street, 8 for. So that means don't nobody have a bike.
I don't even remember my number, to be
For
honest
pro,
with
we
you.
only had 1, 2, or 3. Well, I'm gonna call your number.
I don't
Right?
even know.
I'm not gonna look.
I don't remember the number.
Okay, well, you'll know when it comes down to it.
I'm going in all 3. Can I get in
Left lane,
Left lane, first race.
1028.
Left lane, first. Left.
I don't even know the number.
Oh, it's 1028.
Write it down, write it down, write it down.
Hold on, here we go. Write it down.
4, 2, 3.
Left lane, first race, 1028. No, get the first race.
It's competition.
Anybody running a real on-the-road street car, you guys are going to run to the outside of the cones. This side of the racetrack is going to be prepped for your tires. It might spin, it might not. It's a hot day, but that's the best we can do. If you're running the Shinko shootout tires, we're going to run those bikes in the center lane, closest to the tree.
Okay, hold on, I'm making some changes to it. I'll call you right back.
Anybody never been on a drag strip and raced on a strip before? You guys all done this? Know how it works?
Explain that pro tree that he was talking about.
We're gonna explain it to him really quick.
All right. When you're running a pro tree, which we're going to do today,
When you activate this one lane over here,
get out of the lead.
you activate this one lane.
Yeah. Now what you're going to do is
Pre-stage.
staging on a pro tree is tricky. All right. What you're going to do is
Pre-stage.
you're going to. Okay, Ed. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to pre-stage like that, and then wait for your opponent to get his pre-stage bulb on. Then when they're both on, then you go in, and then you'll see all 3 flash.
Wait for him.
Well, yeah, when all 4 bulbs are on, you're going down the racetrack. You guys will see this. That's why we're doing 2 test runs.
There you go.
What?
Lights will fall. Oh no, that's not the tree.
No, that's not it, Ed.
Pro tree.
We're going to run them all pro tree.
Yeah, he's gonna change back.
Yeah, okay. Okay, me and Cliff's gonna show you how this goes down. Okay, he's staged, then I go in, and then you guys start going in.
Do it now.
Bang! You're out. And he red lit. So that's 0.4 of a second between the time that yellow light flashes and the green. So
Don't confuse them, though.
as soon as you see those yellow lights, dump it and go. So the way I do it, especially on street bikes, is I stage, I bring the RPMs up like I'm getting ready to launch. And then with the motor sitting there purring, then I pull in and I'm sitting there and then bang. It's time
Not
to
bang
go.
yet. Yeah, but bang when they turn green.
No, when you see the yellow.
You see yellow, you go.
Don't listen to him.
Hey, y'all, we out here at the races at Reynolds, Georgia, man. I'm talking to the T-Man team with that red Rio King we saw earlier with a super motor on it, man. Did you get a chance to run it today?
Well, no, we didn't, because we lost the fuel pump, and we had so many people trying to find Little Sammy, Big Sammy, let's see, who was it? Snowman. Little Sammy was going to give up the tank off his bike, and these are unique brothers, right? You know, in time of harmony, you get people to stand by you. My hat's off. Peace out.
I hear you. I hear you, man. Man want to sacrifice his bike for yours. We want to see you run too. We want to see you come up too. I want to see it. You know what I'm saying?
But you know what? We'll race another day.
Oh yeah.
And I'm gonna kick ass.
That's right. All right. I hope I'm there to film it, baby. All right.
Okay, listen. I will be in Fayetteville at the Gotham City Bike Fest.
Okay, that'll be the makeup date.
Now, come see the brother get down.
Okay, for sure. Y'all hear him now.
That's right.
Gotham City Bike Fest. What's up with it, Savage?
What's happening?
What's up, baby? You gonna turn the corner on today? Or you just showing up to show out?
We're gonna see what happens.
Okay, for sure, baby. We're gonna try and get it on film for you. All right, we'll see what happens. All right. My goodness. It's an extra. This is the Gaddafi bike we're looking at right here? Yeah. Oh, yeah. When I get me a check.
Yeah, both of them are done. These are done.
Goddamn. Michigan brought something down that show and go. Look at that exhaust, man. Look at them heads. Boy. Beautiful. Double PMs. Well, we got a lot of fast stuff jumping off over here.
Paul, when your video coming out, baby?
I'm working on it, man. I'm working on it. I'm still gathering stuff right now. So what you got, a sport bike tire in the front right there?
Boys came a long way to get to it. There he is, Big Money Rob.
Hey, what's up with it?
That's that cat that inspired me to get that road glide at the motherfucking roundup back in the day at Atlanta Motor Speedway.
Yeah,
he came through with that big dollar sign, that purple and white joint.
I inspired a few people to step their game up, man.
What's the joint? Johnny Goodchild Washington.
Oh, want to tie you? Oh, yeah. That's what he want to do. Yeah.
Hey, they ain't gonna let us run the spring in the street. They ain't got no bags.
Well, that Softail ain't got no bags on it either. Hey, Kadon. I said you can run.
And one person
You said I can run?
One person's stuck up.
Who said I can't run? What the fuck you worried about it for, nephew? You got an attitude. What do you say? What you mean? My Softail can't beat that.
He ain't even in your class. Yeah, but you be the street class anyway. He ain't even in your class.
I want to run this thing. My Softail.
What class?
No, it's on motor.
All right, guys, all right.
I don't want to start nothing, dog. If he got my nephew got a problem.
Go ahead.
I'm cool.
I'll get I'm cool with it.
As long as me and him correct. He got a Softail, right?
We got a dying.
That's right.
We good. As long as we can race. I don't got to ride. I just want to race my man.
So you can grudge.
We'll wait.
Me and you just fuck around. Yeah, I'm cool.
We'll fuck around.
Grudge. Yeah.